Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy garden meals for a minute. Even though I'm looking forward to the cooler weather and all the things that fall can bring, I still have veggies growing that need new recipes for this new season that we're headed into. This Zucchini Chicken Bake is the perfect recipe for this time of year. Start by cutting the zucchinis, tomatoes, and chicken into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a 9x13 baking dish. Now sprinkle with minced onion, Italian seasoning, and paprika. Drizzle with avocado oil and mix well with a spoon. Top it with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Add a bit more if you want to. Now cover this dish with foil and bake for 40 minutes at 375 degrees. This dish is warm for those cooler nights, yet still has the freshness of a summer garden. Now that's what I call a savvy garden bargain of a meal. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.